हसीना जुल्फों वाली जाने जहां ढूंढती है काफिर आंखें किसका निशान। ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाली जाने जहां ढूंढती है काफिर आंखें किसका निशान। महफिल महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ।
हेलो, वेलकम टू टेलर मेड स्टोरीज विद अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड। आई होप आपको मेरा इंट्रो अच्छा लगा, बिकॉज हमारी इंट्रोडक्शन ऐसी ही होती है, फुल ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट जस्ट फॉर यू गाइस। सो हियर आई एम with a brand new episode. So here today हम बात करने वाले हैं about our hair. Firstly guys, my hair has actually grown very long. My hair was just this much and it's literally grown and it's become thick also. So
Natural looking काले बाल स्मॉल ने किया कमाल.
Whatever the song was. So today we're going to talk about hair tips and tricks that you can do. And you know, हर रोज हम कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं, तो लेकिन अगर हम थोड़ी चीज़ों का अगर ध्यान रखें तो हमारे बाल बहुत अच्छे हो सकते हैं. एक्चुअली इस लॉकडाउन में मुझे बहुत कुछ घर के नुस्खे बहुत सिखाए हैं. आई एम नाउ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ. पहले मैं इतनी जल्दी सी थी, नो टेकिंग केयर, बट टुडे वी गोना डू हेयर टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स that I have learned, and if I can help one of you out also, I think I'm doing a good deed. So chaliye, let's start our session. So first point is hair wash. Now a lot of people have dry scalp, a lot of people have oily scalp. I am one of them. So basically, you know, every second or third day I used to wash my hair. Like literally, अगर मैंने आज wash किया तो after 2 days I would wash it because इतना oily हो जाता है. But this lockdown has actually taught me कि oily था तो मैं घर पे ही बैठ रही थी. So I was just sitting at home and doing nothing. So when I was not washing my hair, now I've realized now my hair is okay and वो ज़्यादा oily नहीं हो रहा है. So I think the more you wash, the more you're making your scalp used to getting the natural oil, producing it even more. So you have to not do that. So अगर आपके बाल oily हो जाते हैं, best is you can use dry shampoo, or what I do is use powder. Just take any powder you have, talcum powder, Baby Johnson powder, Dermicool powder, any powder, just put it on your hair and you know, just like that, like just shake your hair and see वो आ जाता है bounce. I think that's a very good thing that I do. पर अभी घर पे बैठे बैठे तो कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता, so I'm quite okay with it. So coming back to the first point, guys, try and avoid washing your hair too often. I think twice a week max is like awesome. उससे ज़्यादा मत कीजिए because hair damage हो जाता है, hair fall हो जाता है, dry हो जाते हैं बाल. So just try and avoid. So that will be the first point. And always just carry you know, powder. Pond's का छोटू सा आता है, just carry that, or any other brand, whichever, because I always have Pond's का छोटू सा powder. You know, just use it whenever you want to. Always remember that. So that's the first point, hair wash. The second point is sulfate free shampoo. Now everybody talks about sulfate free shampoo. Why is it good? So it is good because it retains the natural moisturizer in your hair, which keeps the original natural shine and softness. So guys, always remember that sulfate free shampoo ना, जो आपके बाल जो बचपन से जो soft है, जो texture है, it keeps that, it maintains that, and also it takes the frizziness away. So always remember. And whenever you guys are shampooing, don't take too much of shampoo. Take little. There's no point of taking so much. You're just making your hair dry. So just take a little bit. And whenever you're washing your hair, just very gently massage your hair. It just takes about say 8 seconds, 8 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you are done. Okay, so you don't have to go like that. You have to go just be very gentle with your hair. So skin and hair, just be always gentle. Okay, so take the shampoo so that when you're massaging it, it's applied equally. When you oil your hair, when your natural hair that produces oil, so if your hair is oily and अगर आप शैम्पू से इधर लगाते हो, इधर प्रॉपरली नहीं होते, तो ये पार्ट स्टिकी रह जाता है और पता चल जाता है आपको. So always remember that's happening. That means you're not putting the shampoo evenly. So always remember that. Third point is a conditioner. So when you apply conditioner, you can comb your hair, but if you're using a comb, please use a wide tooth comb, because then when you are taking out your knots, your hair doesn't break and it's not falling and all, so you don't have any hair fall. So please use a white tooth comb. So a lot of salons, when you go and wash your hair, they use that. So that's okay. You can wash like you can condition your hair and always take out your knots, but always remember, जब भी आप knots निकालो ना, please नीचे से start करना. Don't start from up, okay? Please don't start from your scalp. Please start from the end of your hair to take out all your knots, and please use a white tooth comb. Okay? So now coming back to the fourth point is don't massage your hair roughly. Please, like when you take a towel and you're like going like this and like this, don't do that. That's a big no. Please, if you're doing it, also just take it lightly. Just dab it lightly. You don't have to be very rough with your hair. And also, guys, try and air dry your hair. It's the best. Please don't, I'll also tell you one thing. Don't put. I have done this a lot, and it's a very big lesson I have learned. So, taal ko aise leke, like making that pagdi kind of a thing. The thing is, because of that, I've done it since. I wish someone would have stopped me from doing that, but मैंने इतना किया है ना, that's I've lost out on a lot of baby. Like I have a lot of baby hair, but a lot of hair because it's पीछे, it pulls your hair, and you've done this since you were a child. So when you were getting that hair, it actually all got pulled, out. So just remember that whenever, even if you want to put the towel, just put it really gently and lightly. Don't go too hard, because we all have done it. I have done it. That's why I've lost out on a lot of like. अब तो ग्रो हो गए थोड़े बहुत नहीं ज़्यादा ग्रो हो गए, बट there was a point where I was there was a patch over here. There was no hair in that patch. So please remember that. That's the fourth point. So coming to the fifth point is, please try and avoid hair products. That will be like hair gel, hair wax. It's not good for your hair at all. Now if you really want to use now there are more products, but if you want to use like a hair gel, so instead of that you can use Vaseline. It really does wonders. It does the same thing. So like we all have frizzy hair. It's not like, yeah, some people don't have frizzy hair, but we all have. So what, ऐसे मेरे baby hair बहुत है, so जैसे वो निकलते ना ऐसे I just put Vaseline and I just make it sleep. Yeah, like I just lay down. So it works wonders. So you can do that. That's an easy trick. So just use Vaseline as a hair gel. I think it's really good. The sixth point is lukewarm water. Neither too hot, neither too cold. Just in the middle, the lukewarm water. The seventh point will be, please put shampoo evenly. Yes, that is the seventh point, which I did not include in the first point. I was like, I'll come back later. So please apply shampoo evenly. Don't take too much shampoo. It damages your hair. Okay. Now the eighth point is, avoid these chemicals around your hair. So a lot of people get smoothing done with cysteine, keratin. See, if your hair is very frizzy and the hair stylist and all, they tell you to do it, I think then you should do it. But वैसे trend मैंने भी किया था कॉलेज में, ट्रेंड है ना, सब लोग स्मूथनिंग करा रहे. Smoothing I think is not it didn't suit me at all, because hair fall इतना हो गया था. Initially when I came to Bombay, इतना हो गया था hair fall, and I had straight hair only, but I wanted to do it because everybody was doing it. So okay, coming back to the point, I get very distracted in my own things. Coming back to the point is, don't put too many chemicals. Only when you're advised by somebody who knows your hair really well, then only do it. But I think cysteine is good otherwise. But if you can, try and avoid it, and do all these home remedy things to bring your hair texture or your frizziness a little low. I think that's the best thing. So the ninth point is trimming. So a lot of people say कि trim नहीं कराना चाहिए, फिर बाल लंबे नहीं होते. A lot of people say कि trim कराना चाहिए ताकि अपने बाल लंबे हो जाए. So which one are you? Please comment and let me know. Okay, I'll tell you which one I am. I am the one trim नहीं करना चाहिए because बाल लंबे नहीं होते. But guys, do what your hair, if आपके बाल को ट्रिम करने से लंबे हो जाते हैं, that depends on person to person. तो आप देख लीजिए, ठीक है. अगर ट्रिम नहीं करने से आपके बाल लंबे हो रहे हैं तो let it be. But always if you have split ends, just you can also remove it. दो मुँहे बाल, actually I don't have, so I had dry skin. Sorry, I had dry hair from the ends because I had colored it. But otherwise, yes, even coloring is really bad, guys. That comes under the 8 point under chemicals. Like, try and avoid. You know, इतने मुश्किल से now because I'm taking care of it, it's actually become soft. My hair and all. Otherwise, नीचे से बहुत rough दिखते थे, but it's looking good now. Let's say that. The 10 point is please use the wide tooth comb. Don't forget. Please do not forget while if you want to wash your hair with the conditioner, so you want to comb your hair so that your hair is not tangled anymore. Please always start from the end. So the 11th point is comb from the end of your hair. The 12th point is that wet and damp hair is very sensitive. So a lot of people जो conditioner लगा के ऐसे wash कर लेते हैं, they think that if you comb your hair, it will become straight. Like I do this many times. Like I think because my hair is, see, this is my natural hair. Okay, this is, see, can you see? It's curly from here and straight from here. So this is my natural hair. Okay. But even if I want a little bit of this part to be straightened, what I do is after my bath, after my like I damp my hair and all, like do it with the towel, and then I brush my hair, I comb it. That's wrong, guys. That's a big no. Don't do that. Okay, please let it air dry. Either if you want your hair to be not tangled, तो फिर conditioner करते वक्त आप white comb से कर लीजिए. But otherwise, let it just air dry, and after that you can comb your hair however you want to. But do not comb your hair when your hair is wet or damp, because your hair that time is so sensitive and you have more hair fall. So this is a big lesson that I have learned since the lockdown. So please, guys, don't do that. And whenever, the last point, 13th point, that I know that whenever you want to use like a straightener or curlers or whatever you want to use on your hair, please use hair heat protection. It's very important. Hair protection बोला थी, heat protection. It's very important. Okay, so please do that, and just spray it a little bit, and from far. Okay, you don't have to come so close to spray it. You can spray it at a distance, and that's about it, all over your hair, and you're sorted and you're done. Okay, and this is it. And also, you guys keep asking me which shampoo do I use and which conditioner do I use. The one that I use actually is in Bombay. I will do a segment once I go back, whenever that is. But use anything that you're comfortable with. Okay, so whatever suits your hair, you should do that. And also remember, ki guys, don't use one product for like a year or something. Give it a break also, because your hair should also get something should not get too used to your hair. So it's like toothbrush or toothpaste को क्यों बोलते change करने के लिए? Because if you're doing it with the same toothpaste, then the germs are used to it, so then the germs will stick. So when you brush with another toothpaste, then the germs are like, oh my god, new entry मारी तुमने, okay हम भागते हैं. It's like that. So always remember that keep changing, try new things, whatever suits you. You should have an idea. Conditioner same रख सकते हो, but shampoo थोड़ा बहुत आप change कर लीजिए 6 months में, 3-4, whatever your shampoo gets old, that is. So just keep trying something or the other, and 6 months you can use something else, and 6 months you can come back to something else. So yes, I hope I have not missed out on anything. I think I have on a lot of things, but I hope कि किसी को help मिल सके. And my tricks, थोड़े नुस्खे हैं, थोड़े tips हैं, थोड़े कुछ है जो मैंने आपके साथ share किया. These are things that I have experienced myself. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys, because if I've learned something and if I can help out someone, why not? So let's do this together. Let's make ourselves healthy, our hair healthy. Okay, so this is it. I hope you like this episode. All you gotta do is like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe. Okay, guys, don't forget. I need all your love. यार कितनी बारी बोलूं, प्यार दे दो, please.
महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहाँ,
वो अनजाना